Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute since I last uploaded, but today I do have another video, which is talking to you guys about the new car, the new build for the channel. And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a little quick walk around. This is gonna be just a short video of the walk around of the Z, and yeah, I'll explain to you guys more about it in the next video I plan on doing. But yeah, here she is. Take a good look, cause I'm gonna change this whole car. Yep. She's a little bit dirty right now, but it's all good. But yeah, that's the car, the new build. And I expect a lot of videos on this. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.